So welcome to my winter project. This is my garage on the side of my house, and it's attached. It's old, but it serves its purpose. It's powered by a wood stove in the winter time, and this is my only source of heat in here. But I'm thinking, and I had a thought, well, what if I wanted to dump some heat into this room? So what I'll probably end up doing is attaching a plenum box to the back of this stove, running out, coming in around and around, and dumping into that room. How I'll do that was maybe with some 6-inch round spiral ductwork and some brackets. And yeah, first things first, let's put some heat in this room so I can work with it. Let's go to the shop.
Yeah, that's right.
So I essentially made some 6-inch round wall brackets to attach to the brick with some tap cons or whatever kind of masonry screw I got. I might have to go get some. And I also made this plenum 18 by 13 by 6 inches tall with a 6-inch outlet and a grate so I can reel in fresh air from the bottom while this is mounted on the side of the wood stove. Now the idea behind this is to just take hot air radiating off the wood stove and turn it into warmer air and pump it into the area faster where I want it to be. Eventually I'm going to close that area off with a wall. So if I dump an outlet into it, it's going to look kind of strange right now, but in the future it'll actually be an actual grill or something, you know, it'll look almost standard. So anyway, that's the spiel of it. I think I'm going to get going. Alright, so I'll try to explain this as reasonably as I can. I chose wood stove for a heat source because I get wood for free. And since I ain't gotta pay for it, why not use it? Why not save some money? So I took a few pieces of wood and I cut them to size and I stood them up and back. This is just a dry fit. And what I'll do is I'll wrap a couple of strips around it and secure it in place. Now I don't need to attach it firmly because really it's just taking heat off this wood stove, whatever's radiating off it. I don't have to take any heat from inside. This is a quarter-inch thick steel plate. It'll hold its heat for a while, and I believe some of this is cast iron as well, but nonetheless, it'll take some of the heat from this and draw it over to where I need it. So it's a bit unconventional, but here it is, the prefabbed, pre-bent strap that'll go around the contour of the wood stove. And I drilled some holes so I can just make the bends here rather than trying to get them a little more crisp with a break because I don't really have one here. So this fits the shape. I pre-bent this in the shop so it hooks over the quarter-inch lip. So goes underneath, flips on here, goes underneath. Like that. It's hot. Now with the box secured firmly onto the stove, I could start running my ductwork. I have decided to go up and penetrate through the ceiling and come over and into the loft. And I'll penetrate right here into this gable end and come out on this side, facing downward. First things first, make a penetration.